Here I'm going to give you my expectations for group discussions, or not group discussions, discussion posts, discussion boards. So if you look in the first week here, you see there's a discussion post for student strategies for class activity 13N. Now, the way these works is they're optional in the fact that not everyone will post for this uh, discussion board. In the on-ground class, you came to the board at different times and presented your work. My thought was this would be a place to kind of continue that, where you would be able to post your strategies, explain your work to others. I really want you to become comfortable talking about math and then also hearing other people talk about their ideas and understanding what they're saying. So in this section, especially if you didn't post in class much, I would encourage you to post here. If you did post in class, but you've got something you want to share with your classmates, go ahead and do so. Uh, my goal, though, is that these posts would not be just full of a bunch of posts, but they would just have different strategies for each question. So in this problem, uh, in this post, there was from class activity 13N, there was two problems, 2 and 3. So my thought is that you would work on those problems 2 and 3 on your own. Maybe if you wanted to collaborate with a peer, you could. And then once you finish, take a look at the discussion post, see what strategies are out there. If your strategy hasn't been posted yet, go ahead and prepare a video or a written solution guide. But if you do write a solution guide, make sure to include some written explanation. Actually write out words explaining what you did, not just mathematics. We want to be able to follow your thinking, not just your work. And so once you have that done, go ahead and post. I think you can just hit reply down here to do that. And in the post, start out with a problem number. So like here, class activity 13N number 2, or class activity number 13N number 3. And then give a name for your strategy or a title. So you might, whatever you did, maybe you multiplied by 6 and that was kind of a key component, or you drew a picture and that was a key component. You could say drawing a picture, whatever. Just title it however you think it fits. So let me know if you have any questions on that. Again, not mandatory that everyone post, but I would encourage you to post throughout the course.